Dagbapan pa ba uday ubri ubashim khiyaya ka kamram. But bayaladiru uday ubarem, Dr. Mukul sangma unong tauan ka All India Trinamool Congress ulaang, bagajing hiar ka yo ka kot ki Nongrep, ka long arsut ka nang mikisngi. Ulaang makador yo jong ki marep kala hiar palat, but kam long shu kum hakisnam baladam, but mau yaladi kum ubarep Kwai ulaang, badang syan ula haban di tanglai hajar nyos pa Tyngka si Byrni. Dak bakadaw bakadai bandan kajingsim khia ka kamram, Dr. Mukul sangma ulaang baka sarkar kadai ban le namardai ki Nongrep ki bakersan ya ka yo ka kot jong ka jella.
I have always encouraged farming. I myself also do lots of farming. You'll be surprised to see that this year, I have landed up selling my areca nut at the rate of 3,700 per bag. What is the reason? So we are analyzing, we are trying to find out. You have all the inputs, you are aware. So what exactly is happening? You talk about increasing the income sources of every household. Today we are grateful to the farmers that they have collectively put all the efforts to have this sustainable source of income from farming, from horticulture. You might recollect, in the past, it has been really, really difficult to wean away the people from the earlier traditional mode of, slash and burn method of cultivation, the chuming. It has been very, very difficult. But over decades, the collective effort of the multiple departments, multiple initiatives of the government of the past in the preceding decades have ultimately been able to at least give them a reason to believe that we need to shift from the slash and burn method of juming and shift towards sustainable farming, which is horticulture. And today that's why you will see that lots of people are able to have at least reasonable amount of sustainable income. It is a responsibility of all the policymakers, everybody, to ensure that you go on putting that kind of effort with utmost sense of sincerity and commitment to increase their earning. Why do we talk about various other interventions? Why are those other interventions to help livelihood on a sustainable basis? The idea is to increase the income, and not only increase, but on a sustained manner. It should have this graph, increasing graph. You go to the farmers, ask them what is happening. This time even the price of the broomstick is half the price of the preceding year's market. So therefore, many multiple challenges do confront the farmers. And these are issues. Today I will tell you one thing. If the farmers wouldn't have had this access to sustainable income from the farming, you would have seen more school dropouts. You would have seen more dislocation of livelihood and the resultant negative fallout. Today, it is therefore important to see that anything that harms the farming community or anything that derail the sustainable sources of income of the farmers must be, taken head on by everybody.